Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to share file on Google Drive Windows 11, laptop or PC. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. Sharing files on Google Drive in Windows 11 is a convenient way to collaborate with others, access your files across different devices, and ensure that your data is securely stored in the cloud. Whether you're working on a school project, a business assignment, or sharing photos with friends and family, Google Drive provides a reliable platform for file sharing. To get started, open your Google Chrome. When you're already on Google Chrome, click dots icon on the top right corner. Then, select Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Google Drive dashboard, where all your uploaded and shared files are stored. If the file or folder you want to share isn't already in your drive, you'll need to upload it first. To do this, click on the plus new button on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, you can select File Upload to choose a single file, or Folder, Upload to select an entire folder. A file selection window will appear. Simply locate the file on your computer, click it, and press Open. Your file will begin uploading to Google Drive and will appear shortly in your file list. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to share it. Right-click on the file or folder you want to share, and then select Share from the context menu. This will open a sharing settings window. Here, you can click on General Access. You have two options, Restricted or Anyone with the link. You can choose Anyone with a link. You'll see a drop-down next to each name where you can choose the access level. Viewer can only view the file or folder. Commenter can view and add comments, but can't edit. Editor has full access to make changes. If you want to allow anyone who has the link to access the file, set the role Viewer, Commenter, Editor, then click Copy Link and paste it wherever you like, such as in a chat, email, or document. You can change or remove access at any time. Just right-click the shared file again, select Share, and adjust permissions or remove people from the list. This flexibility allows you to keep control over your files and ensure that only the right people have access. By following these steps, you can easily and securely share files on Google Drive using your Windows 11 PC. I think enough for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.